So everyone who knows me knows I love to cook. I've had this for quite some time now. Not the book, but this little easel thing for all my recipes. I also have this book, my little recipe book, But I want to show you just what I got. Look how cool. So Thanksgiving is coming, and this is freaking perfect for me. Number one, I literally look up every recipe on Instagram or TikTok. All you have to do, click Instagram, and here's your freaking Instagram. Isn't that cool? I can literally search up whatever I want and watch a video. You just have to click here, and if you want it a little bit louder or lower, go back to the home screen. You can make it as a calendar if you want. You can make it as a photo frame if you wanted. You can download any photo that you want. In the back of it, you can put an SD card, you can plug in your phone, and this is the plug-in to plug it in, but you honestly don't need it. The battery lasts long enough, but you can charge it, and then you can actually take it with you like a tablet, which is pretty cool. So to use it, you don't need to plug it in, which is honestly amazing. But I'm honestly excited because I'm going to be cooking for Thanksgiving like I do every year. You can go on apps, and I'm going to actually download TikTok. But you know what's also cool? For my little girl, she can paint. She could take this and paint if she wanted. Raylan can do watercolor, paint, markers, pens, pencils, calligraphy, anything she wanted. Spray, chalk, charcoal, design, fills. Like, look how cool. And it comes with a little stylus. Or you could just touch it with your hand if you wanted. So to keep your toddler busy, that's amazing. It also has like Pixel, Chess, whatever, but you can also add a lot of apps on here. This whole thing is actually connected with Gmail, which is honestly amazing because I have a Gmail. And like you could connect your TV, your speaker, your Air, whatever. You can add your devices. You can honestly talk to it if you wanted, like, hey Google. And right away, it comes there, and I can ask it a question. I can do whatever I want, So you could choose what screen you wanted, a clock, some colors, a photo frame. So this is like picking one photo as your frame. You can do the photo table that it puts like the photos like all over the table kinda, or you can customize whatever you want. And I chose to customize mine. So these are just all photos of what I like. So basically, I have all the pictures that I love. Literally everywhere around my house, I have pictures. Every freaking corner. See? And now I have a customized picture frame in my kitchen. How freaking dope. And it can also help me in the kitchen. It could give me some recipes. I can go on Instagram. I can go on TikTok. My daughter could draw. I mean, this thing is all in one. Great.